And the Ethiopian Attorney General has ordered the immediate release of journalist Yassin Juma, citing wrongful arrest. Now that's according to Yassin Juma's lawyer, Abdulletif Amee. This as the Media Council of Kenya appealed to the government to help secure the release of Yassin, who has been in detention in Ethiopia for the last 47 days, believe it or not. Now Yassin, in an open letter, has asked the Ethiopian government to charge him or set him free, as his life is at risk since he contracted COVID-19 a week ago in custody and is yet to receive or access medical care.
Before his fifth appearance in court, Yassin Juma, a journalist who has specialized in reporting on conflict in the Horn of Africa, tells of his suffering at the hands of authorities 47 days after he was incarcerated in Ethiopia. Yassin was allegedly arrested while covering the aftermath of the assassination of Oromia musician Hachalu Hundessa. He was detained at Aradar police station, where a week ago he contracted coronavirus, according to his letter, and I quote, "I am currently being held at Block W with 68 other COVID-19 positive inmates with no access to medication in overcrowded cells, no running water and no diet to assist us with our condition. My health is failing with each passing day and I am not sure if I will make it." End of quote. He states that he was rearrested last Monday, moments after being released by two courts, and that even efforts by the Kenyan government to secure his release have been futile, a move he blames on investigators who request for more time to probe the case against him. He says, and I quote, "Holding me for 47 days without charging me is against my human rights. Denying me the chance to communicate with my family in the last 47 days is also against my human rights." End of quote. Yassin says his family of 7 children and 1 grandson depends on him. According to him, he was in Ethiopia for a series of shoots as a producer for Sky News, and that his company was later contracted to do a documentary for introduction of e-learning in 10 secondary schools in the Oromo region. He denies any involvement in the country's politics. He ends his letter by passing regards to his children and grandson and calling upon the nation to remember him in their prayers as he fights the coronavirus and injustice. Yassin's family's pleas to have their kin released have failed to bear fruits in the past. Back home, the Media Council of Kenya is requesting the Kenyan government to use diplomatic channels with Ethiopian authorities and help secure Yassin's release from custody on humanitarian grounds.